Good morning. Myself Kush
And myself Pujan.
and our topic is negotiation. Negotiation. Let us first know the meaning of negotiation. Negotiation is a method by which people settle differences. It is a process by which compromise of settlement agreement is reached while avoiding any disputes and agreement. Uh, in any disagreement the process can in any disagreement individual understandably aim to achieve the best outcome position. The principle of negotiation are fairness, seeking mutual benefit, and maintaining among a relationship are the keys to a successful outcome.
Uses of negotiation. Negotiation holds the key to getting ahead in the workplace, resolving conflicts, and creating values in contracts. Thank you.
Thank you.